Hi there everyone, my name is Arish and today we're going to be learning about quadratic equations from chapter 2 of class 10th mathematics. We will solve every single question from exercise 2.4. Let's start. The first question states that we need to find the sum and product of the roots. So we have two formulas. The sum will be equal to negative b over a and the product is equal to c over a. Now by using these formulas, we will solve each and every question. If you look at the second part of question number 1, we have negative 4x squared minus 6x minus 2, which is equal to 0. So the value of a here is negative 4, the value of b is negative 6, and the value of c is negative 2. By using the formula of sum, which is negative b over a, we can place our values 6 over negative 4. And for the product, which is c over a, we can also place our values, and that will be negative 2 over negative 4. So for the sum, we get our answer as negative 3 by 2, and for the product, the negative sign cancels out, and 2 divided by 4 is 1 by 2. Moving on to the fourth part of question number 1, we have 0.3x squared minus 7.7x plus 1.8 is equal to 0. The values of a, b, and c are as stated, 0.3, negative 7.7, and 1.8. For the sum, we can write negative b over a is equal to 7.7 divided by 0.3, which is equal to 77 over 3. And for the product of our roots, we can write c over a, which is 1.8 over 0.3, so that's equal to 6. Moving on to question number 2, here we need to form a quadratic equation from the given roots. If you look at the first and second part, firstly we will find the sum and product of the roots and use this formula, x squared minus sum into x plus product is equal to 0. For the first part, the given roots is 1 and negative 8 by 3. Suppose alpha is 1 and beta is negative 8 by 3. The sum of roots will be negative b over a, and that is alpha plus beta. So we can write 1 plus into minus 8 over 3, and that will be equal to 3 minus 8 over 3, which is equal to negative 5 by 3. And for the product of roots, we know that it's equal to c over a and alpha into beta, and that will be equal to negative 8 over 3. So now we have found the sum and the product of these roots. Let's put it into our formula. So x squared minus sum of x plus product is equal to 0 will be replaced with our given values, and that's x squared plus 5 over 3x minus 8 over 3 is equal to 0. If we multiply all of the sides with 3, we'll get our quadratic equation, which is 3x squared plus 5x minus 8, and that's equal to 0. For the second parts, the roots are given as under root 3 and 2 under root 3. Suppose alpha and beta are equal to these roots. We can take the product and the sum of these roots. So that's going to be 3 under root 3 and 6. By using the formula mentioned, which is x squared minus sum into x plus product is equal to 0, we will just place our values of the sum and product of roots. So our final equation is x squared minus 3 under root 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Moving on to part 5 of question number 2. Here the roots are imaginary. Here we have 7 plus 2 iota and 7 minus 2 iota. Let alpha be equal to 7 plus 2 iota and beta be equal to 7 minus 2 iota. So the sum of roots will be 7 plus 2 iota added with 7 minus 2 iota, and that's equal to 14, as 2 iota and negative 2 iota get cancelled out, and 7 plus 7 is simply 14. For the product of roots, we get our answer as 53. So we can use the formula x squared minus sum into x plus product is equal to 0. Placing our values of the sum and product of roots, our final equation is x squared minus 14x plus 53 is equal to 0. Here we need to evaluate the expressions in the roots. Suppose we have a quadratic equation, which is 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. The value of a is 3, the value of b is negative 2, and the value of c is positive 4. So now we need to find the sum and the product of roots. When we find the sum of roots, we get our answer as 2 by 3, and when we find the product of roots, we find our answer as 4 by 3. So by these values of alpha added with beta and alpha into beta, we need to evaluate the given expressions. The first part is 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. How can we evaluate this? We can write alpha square plus beta square divided by alpha beta whole square, and that will be equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta whole square as is. So 4 by 9 minus 8 over 3 divided by 16 over 9. Here we just place the values of alpha and beta. So minus 20 over 9 divided by 16 over 9, our answer is minus 5 over 4. For the second part, here we have alpha square plus beta square. So we can add 2 alpha beta and subtract 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta whole square will be 4 over 9, and minus 2 alpha beta, it's going to be minus 8 over 3. So that's equal to 4 over 9 minus 24 over 9, and our final answer is negative 20 over 9. Moving on to the third part, here we have 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 4. So between alpha and beta, we can take a common value which is 2. So we can write 2 alpha plus beta plus 4. We will just place the value of alpha plus beta, which is the sum of roots, and our final answer will be 16 divided by 3. Moving on to part 4, here we have 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. So what can we do? We can take the LCM of both of these fractions. We can multiply 1 over alpha with 1 over beta, and we can multiply 1 over beta with 1 over alpha. So we get alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. Now we will just place the values 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 3, and that's equal to 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. Our answer will be 1 by 2. Now for the fifth part, here we have alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. So this will be simplified to alpha square plus beta square divided by alpha beta. Why? Because we took the LCM of the denominator. We multiplied one side with beta over alpha and the second side with alpha over beta. Now alpha plus beta whole square is subtracted from 2 alpha beta and divided by alpha beta. We will just place our values now, as we know what alpha plus beta is equal to and alpha into beta. So we get negative 5 by 3 as our final answer. Moving on to the sixth part, here we have alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. So first we need to take alpha and beta common. That's equal to alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Now we will simply place our values. So we get 8 over 9. And for the seventh part, here we have alpha cube beta plus alpha beta cube. So again, we can take alpha beta common. We will write alpha beta into alpha square plus beta square. So that's equal to alpha beta plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now why did I write it like that? I added and subtracted 2 alpha beta with alpha square plus beta square. Now we will just simply place our values of the sum of roots and the product of roots. So we get negative 80 over 27. And for the final part of question number 3, we have alpha minus 3 divided by beta minus 3. So we're going to multiply both of these factors, alpha beta minus 3 alpha minus 3 beta plus 9. That's equal to alpha beta minus 3 into alpha plus beta plus 9. If you look between minus 3 alpha and minus 3 beta, we took minus 3 as a common integer. So that's why we wrote minus 3 into alpha plus beta. Now we will finally place our values, which is 25 over 3. Moving on to question number 4, I have left this question as homework practice. You need to try applying the same sum and product method used in the previous question. Moving on to question number 5, we have to form a new equation with the roots alpha plus beta whole square and alpha minus beta whole square. Suppose the given equation is x square plus 6x plus 3, and that's equal to 0. So firstly, alpha plus beta is equal to negative b over a. That's the formula, and that's equal to negative 6. And alpha into beta is equal to c over a, and that's equal to 3. So we have got the values of the sum and product of roots. If we take whole square on alpha plus beta, that's going to be equal to 36. And if we take whole square on alpha minus beta whole square, that's going to be equal to 24. So now we have new roots, which is 36 and 24. 36 and 24, and add them together, we will get the new sum. And for the new product, we can take these new roots 36 and 24 and multiply them. So alpha plus beta is 60 and alpha into beta is 864. Now we need to form a new equation. So the formula for the equation is x square minus sum into x plus product is equal to 0. So let's just place the values and we get x square minus 60x plus 864, which is equal to 0. Let's move on to question number 6. Here we need to form a new equation with the transformed roots. Suppose we are given 2x square plus 6x minus 3, which is equal to 0. The new roots of the equation are alpha minus 3 over beta square and beta minus 3 over alpha square. So firstly, what is alpha plus beta and alpha beta? Alpha plus beta is negative 3 and alpha into beta is negative 3 by 2. So what will their new sum be? Here alpha minus 3 over beta square plus beta minus 3 over alpha square can be written as alpha plus beta minus 3 into 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. Then 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta whole square. So now we can place our values which we found. So the new sum is going to be negative 3 minus 3 into 16 over 3, which is simply minus 19. And what will the new product be? If we take our new roots alpha minus 3 over beta square and beta minus 3 over alpha square and multiply them, we will get 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta, and that's equal to alpha plus beta over alpha beta. Now we can again place our values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So we get our new product as negative 7 by 2. So with the new sum, which is negative 19, and the new product, which is negative 7 by 2, we can simply place these values to form a new equation. Now what's the formula of the equation? That's x square minus sum into x plus p is equal to 0. When we place our values, we get x square plus 19x minus 7 over 2, which is equal to 0. But how did we get 2x square plus 38x minus 7 is equal to 0 as our final answer? Well, we multiplied all of the sides with 2. That's why we got this answer. Moving on to question number 7, we need to find the value of k. Here we have x square minus 3kx plus 5, and that's equal to 0. The sum of roots whole squared are equal to the product of roots. This is what the question states. We have a as 1, b as negative 3k, and c as 5. So what will their sum be? That's going to be negative b over a. So that's negative 3k over 1, simply 3k. And then we have the product of roots, which is c over a. So 5 over 1 is simply 5. Now the question states that the sum of roots whole squared are equal to the product of roots. This means that if I find the sum, which is 3k, take the whole square, so that's equal to the product. So if we take 3k whole square and let it be equal to 5, that means 9k square is equal to 5. And we can divide both sides by 9 and take square root on both of the sides to find the value of k. So here the final answer, which is the value of k, is under root 5 over 3. Moving on to the final question of this exercise, which is question number 8, we need to find k given one root. Here for the first part, we have x square plus kx minus 21, which is equal to 0. So one root which is given is alpha, and that's equal to 3. Alpha plus beta is equal to the sum of roots. So we can write that it's equal to negative k. And alpha into beta is the product of roots, and we can write that it's equal to negative 21. Why? Because from this quadratic equation, we concluded the values of a, b, and c, which are 1, k, and negative 21. Here we have 3 plus beta is equal to negative k. This will be our first equation. So 3 beta is equal to minus 21. beta being equal to -7. This is our second equation. So we can substitute the second equation into the first equation in order to get 3 minus 7 being equal to -k. So 3 minus 7 is simply -4. Minus cancels on both sides, leaving k with the value of 4. I hope you guys liked my lecture. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and send this video to your friends. If you have any doubt, you can leave that in the comment section, and if I skipped or left any parts, that's just homework for you to do. If you're having any problems or want me to make a separate video on that, I'll love to do that. Thank you.